Hi guys, welcome back to baking class episode 4. Today we will be making croissants. The first step in making croissants is making the pouliche. So what you're going to need for the pouliche is 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of yeast, half a cup plus 2 teaspoons of lukewarm water. I've added all of my ingredients and now I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes and let it double or even triple in size. So this has been about 40 minutes and this is what my pouliche looks like. Now you are going to sift your 3 cups of flour, a third a cup of sugar, and 2.5 teaspoons of salt into a large mixing bowl. Now you are going to add in your pouliche into your mixture. You're going to mix it together. Now that if you've lightly mixed in your pouliche, you're going to add in half a cup plus 2 teaspoons of cold milk. You're going to mix that until it's well combined and then add in cubed butter, 2 plus 3/4 tablespoon of cubed butter at room temperature. After you've combined all the ingredients, you're going to knead for 5 to 6 minutes. After you knead the dough, you're going to wrap it in plastic and let it rise in the fridge for 1 hour. Now we are going to start on the lamination process. You're going to need a cup of butter or 2 sticks, and you're going to cut slabs of it and make a big slab of butter. You're going to roll it out with a rolling pin and put it in the fridge for half an hour and let it harden. This is how your butter is supposed to look like after you've rolled it out. Now you are going to chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. After your butter has been chilled for 30 minutes and your dough has been chilled, you are going to roll out your dough and place the butter inside. This is how it's supposed to look. You're going to take your butter and you're going to place it in the center of your dough and you're going to fold each corner to cover the butter. Now that you've rolled your butter into your dough, you're going to take this edge, your right edge, into the center, and your left edge into the center. You're going to wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for 30 minutes. Now that it's chilled, you're going to repeat that process 3 times. You're going to roll it out, then fold right into center, left into center, fridge, and then roll it out after it's chilled. Repeat that process 1 more time and then you're done for that part. After chilling the dough for the last time, you're going to roll it out into 30 inches long and 8 inches wide. After rolling the dough out, you're going to make a slit every 5 inches. This is how your croissant dough should look like after making the slits. Your first one, you're going to make 2.5 inches. And then from then, you're going to make 5-inch slits. And then from here, 2.5 inches, and then 5-inch slits, and then it's going to lead into the shape of croissants. This is how the final triangle shapes will look like. To make it into a croissant shape, you're going to roll it up, pulling on the outside edges so they will come out, and then voila. These are how your croissants should look like before you put them in the oven. You can either let them rise overnight covered in a warm place, or you can let them rise for an hour and put them in the oven. I've let my croissants rise overnight. You can rise them for 2 hours, but what you're going to do now that they've risen, you're going to coat them with an egg wash. And then once the oven is preheated to 390, you're going to put them in until they are golden brown, and then drop the temperature to 370 and cook them for 7 more minutes. These are how the final croissants are supposed to look like. You can make them smaller and you can put some almond paste inside or coat them with matcha and white chocolate.